Looking to brighten up your Jeep Wrangler's exterior with a reliable lighting upgrade? Bushwacker LED Marker Lights deliver exactly that: brighter, longer-lasting illumination designed specifically for 1997 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJs with flat-style fenders. Whether you're replacing old, dim incandescent bulbs or outfitting a fresh set of fenders, these LED marker lights are built to enhance visibility and durability on the road. I recently swapped out the worn original marker lights on my used Bushwacker fenders with this LED replacement kit. The package came with everything I needed, no extra parts or complicated wiring. Installation was straightforward, and the LEDs immediately offered a noticeable brightness boost. Keep in mind, since these are LEDs, they're polarity sensitive. I had to reverse the wires on one light, but that's a simple step if you test before final assembly. This kit's 2 or 3 wire options make it flexible for different wiring setups, so it fits your Jeep's electrical system with ease. What you get with Bushwacker LED marker lights is more than just a replacement. You get a lighting upgrade that lasts longer and shines brighter than traditional bulbs. That means safer night driving and a cleaner, modern look for your Jeep. If you're ready to replace tired marker lights or want to boost your Jeep's visibility, this kit is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to see the difference in both style and performance.